fuck are they doing? Why are they fucking doing that? And why don't they show up on my fucking phone? What the fuck are they doing? What the fuck are they doing? Look how they're flying. It's so crazy how they barely show up on my phone and there's like one flying in front of me. That's crazy. There they are. What the fuck are they doing? I wish I had a better camera. What the fuck are they doing? That is so crazy. It's like some formation, looks like DNA line or I don't know, but vultures don't fly like that. What are they doing? They're so hard to get on my phone. And I can't see nothing. The sun is beaming.